If you've ever color graded one clip in DaVinci Resolve and thought, I don't want to do this again for every clip, this video will save you a ton of time. I'll show you the fastest way to apply the exact same color grade to multiple clips in just a few clicks. First, go to the Color tab at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. Make sure you already have one clip fully color graded. This clip will be your reference for everything else. Take a second and double check your grade. Anything you want applied to all clips should already be done here. Click on the clip that has your finished color grade. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the timeline inside the Color tab. This step matters more than people think. If the wrong clip is selected, you'll copy the wrong grade. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding Control, click on all the other clips you want to apply this color grade to. You can select as many clips as you want. Just make sure your original graded clip stays selected along with the others. Before applying the grade, move your mouse over the clip that already has the color grade. This is important. Your cursor needs to be on the source clip when you apply the grade. If your cursor is on a different clip, DaVinci may copy from the wrong one or not work at all. Now press down on your mouse scroll wheel. That middle click will instantly copy the color grade from your main clip to all the selected clips. You should see all clips update right away. If nothing happens, check two things. Make sure the correct clip was selected first, and make sure your cursor was placed on that clip before clicking. Also, this copies everything: notes, adjustments, and corrections. So only use this when you want an exact match. This works best when your clips were shot under similar lighting. If they look very different, you may still need small adjustments after applying the base grade. That's it. Quick, simple, and a huge time saver. If this helped you out, subscribe to How To Guides for more simple tutorials that make editing easier.